So here is my pro tip for you, and you may have picked up on this already, but strings are lists for many, many purposes. They're not exactly the same. You can't run all of the list functions or the list methods against strings. But in many ways, Python sees a string as a list of individual characters. It has an index. You can iterate through them. Like this, I can say for str letter and str text. And I could go through and find only the alphabetical characters in a string. So if I have these, let's get rid of that. Indent these, there we go. So if I go through this original here and I wanted to only get the useful things out of it, okay, I could go letter by letter and say, is it an alphabetical character? Oop, not as alpha, there we go. All right. Or is it equal to a space? So I'm keeping the alphabetical characters or space. And when I run that, it prints only the, well, I still have this count thing here. It prints only the letters of Bakersfield College because those are the only alpha letters there. What I could do, though, if I wanted to, is I could add those to a new string. Let me create that blank string, str new equals, I'm going to create an empty string up here, and instead of printing them out, I'm going to add each letter to that string. So now it doesn't do anything because I didn't print it. Let's print that string at the very end, str new, there we go. So when I print that, I can take a string that's got all kinds of garbage characters in it and clean it out and do what I want. So if I wanted to take a sentence with weird capitalization and random characters in there, I could take that sentence, I could make it all lowercase, I could clean out all of these characters, and then I could do things like search for word counts, matches, word frequencies, all kinds of things with that sentence, which is very useful for a lot of different applications.